First, marinate scallops with olive oil, salt, black peppers. Next, preparing the sweet potatoes for roasting in the oven. Oops, this one has some bad spots. Don't worry, just need to cut them off and continue. I use cayenne peppers to season them. Sweet potato loves chili. You can adjust the spice level depends on how spicy you want. Grind some black pepper. Some salt. Drizzle some olive oil. Mix them well. Now it's ready to go into the oven. Oven sets at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius using convection bake function. Bake for 25 minutes. You realize that I did not preheat the oven. You don't need to. Next, preparing the asparagus. You don't have to cut it using a knife. You can just quickly breaking it by hand. The trick here is you will always end up with the soft parts of the asparagus using this method. Put them into the pan and steam them. Add water. They don't take long to cook at all. Now, heat up the cast iron pan. Let's do the first water test. You can hear the sound. It is not hot enough. Let's do another test. Yes, it sounds right. Scallops in. The pan can be hotter before I drop the scallops in. Now they are sticking to the pan a little. Total cooking time is about 1 minute, 40 seconds on each side. If the scallops are smaller, they take lesser time to cook. If you like them to be less cooked, you can cook them for lesser time. Now put them onto the plate. Drizzle some olive oil to prevent them getting dry before serving. Okay, back to the asparagus. I season it with salt and drizzle some olive oil on top. Voila, dinner is ready to be served.